Hi, my name is Jennifer Mallory, BSRNMSN, YouTube #cooking. Buydeem Company has reached out to me for a collaboration for a fabulous G52 10-quart electric food steamer. The additional white box on top is an additional item. It's an accessory. It's a non-stick ceramic plate. Look how well it's packaged. I couldn't believe how well it was packaged. That's the box. It comes in assorted colors. I was gifted the soft, cozy green. Inside the package, they give you a cooking guide, how to assemble it, how to wash it, how to clean it, and a couple recipes. Everything is dishwasher safe except the green bottom part. That has to be hand washed. First is the lid, stainless steel, glass top. You can see 3 venting holes that will allow steam to escape. And since I have the 10-quart 2 tiers, I have 2 sets of trays. I have a set of trays. This one's for the top layer. This comes off. This allows me to put the second layer on if I want to cook an entire meal or a large meal. And here's the second steamer tray that comes with it. This part comes out. This is your reservoir that catches any pan drippings to keep it nice and clean. That is your steam gathering ring that goes in the reservoir where you add your water. It has 7 settings. It has a warmer, a stop and a pause, and a few suggestions on the side for cooking times. If your water level runs low, you don't have to take it apart. You can add water from either side with the measuring cup, because there's a minimum and maximum water level to cook efficiently with this. And to assemble it, you put the steam gathering ring back in, you put your tray that catches all your drippings, you add one of your stainless steel plates, then you add the second tier with mine because I have the G52 10.6 quart. Add the second tray, and then the lid goes on top. You plug it in and it's ready to go. The water steams and comes to pressure in 60 seconds. Here's the 7 settings that you can choose from. A warmer, it will flash red if the water level runs low. Gives suggestions on cooking times. And there's a maximum and a minimum water level that keeps you up to date. You can add water, like I said, from each side to keep you from taking it apart to cook. In this box is an additional accessory. They also gifted me a non-stick ceramic cooking tray, and this is what I'm going to cook my dumplings on. As you see how well it's packaged, there's no way anything you receive will be broken when you get it. And I'm going to show you where this goes inside the steamer. Since I'm only going to be using 1 tier, see, I've placed it inside the second tier. Put your dumplings or your food on top of that with the lid on top, and that is also dishwasher safe. And this is how I'm going to demonstrate using it today. I'll be using 1 tier for my dumplings with a beautiful Asian sauce on the side. And there you have it, the perfect steamer that's perfect for your household. Okay everyone, let's get cooking. I'm going to add my water from the side reservoir. And like I said, there's a minimum and a maximum level of water you want to add to this. Okay, as you can see, I've added to the maximum water level. Okay, I've plugged it in. The Buydeem G52 Food Steamer also offers a dual boil dry protection. When the water runs out, the steamer will automatically pause operation. The refill indicator on the far left with flash, along with the knob and progress light, and the unit will beep for 5 seconds every 20 seconds, repeating 10 times. Once water is added back to the tank, the steamer will automatically resume operation. I think this is a very important and safety convenience. And it also keeps your food warm. It helps the food stay warm for 2 hours, so you don't have to worry about the rest of your food getting cold while you're still preparing the rest of your meal. There's the warm button. These buttons will flash, and there's your pause. Okay, I've plugged it in. I'm going to add the reservoir that catches all your drippings. Keeps the bottom nice and clean. And here's the extra accessory, the ceramic non-stick cooking tray. And I'm going to be using these steamed dumplings. They look more like buns to me, but they're calling them dumplings, so that's what I'm going to call them. Okay, here's the tray of dumplings, and there are only 6, and they are still frozen. I'm gonna cook these for 20 minutes in the steamer. I don't know about you guys, but I love Chinese food, General Tso, sweet and sour, lo mein, but I always have to get a side of dumplings whenever I order Chinese food. So I'm gonna put the lid on and set the timer for 20 minutes and push start. Look at the steam condensation after only 60 seconds. And they're frozen, so that's why I'm gonna go an extra 5 minutes, because the cooking instructions say 15 on the side of this lovely Buydeem steamer, but I'm gonna give it an extra 5 to make sure they're done. Okay, the dumplings are perfectly cooked, as you see. Now I'm gonna get started on the delicious dipping sauce that I make at home, Asian. The sweet, spicy, sour, and tangy you guys will love. My house smells wonderful. Okay guys, here are the ingredients for my delicious Asian dipping sauce. You need a half a teaspoon of sesame oil. You need 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds. You need a tablespoon of sugar. You need 1 tablespoon of hot water, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic. You don't have to cook this. This comes together really quick and it's perfect for any dumpling or Asian meat or vegetable that you love that needs a sauce. Okay, you need 1 tablespoon of hot water. I heated it up in the microwave. You need 1 teaspoon of sugar. And you want to dissolve that in the water. Then you need 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. You need 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar. I'm using the seasoned rice vinegar. You need 1 teaspoon of garlic. You need a half a teaspoon of sesame oil. You want to be very careful with sesame oil. It is very, very strong and very easy to overpower your dish. So just a little bit of sesame oil. And then you need 1 teaspoon of chili oil. And you also need 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds. Sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon. And to tell you the truth, it tastes even better if you toast them. But, you know, my channel is about all quick, fast, and easy. And this comes together in no time. It's absolutely delicious. Like I said, it's spicy, it's salty, it's sweet, it's tangy, and it's sour. So I'm gonna get everything set up and let you see the final product and get ready to tell you guys my joke. Okay guys, there you have it. Perfectly steamed dumplings. I want to say another thank you and shout out to Buydeem for offering me this collaboration on the G52 electric food steamer. These are perfect. They are delicious and I have a great dipping sauce for you. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Buydeem has also included a discount code which will be in my description box. And like I said, it comes in assorted colors. So I hope you guys give this steamer a try. Like I said, it cooks meat, seafood, vegetables, eggs, you name it, in record time. And you don't have to worry about burning your food. It has a warming button that you can keep the food warm. So let me tell you guys my joke. Okay guys, here's my joke. My dad always said, before you criticize someone, walk a mile in their shoes. That way, when you criticize them, they'll be a mile away and you will have their shoes. I thought that was too cute. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Once again, thank you. Shout out to Buydeem for the collaboration and the gift of the steamer. It is absolutely fabulous. That was the second time I used it. I cooked some corn and I cooked some Polish sausage on it. I used the 2 tiers. And yes, it's 60 seconds. You hear it, it comes to temperature and you see the steam and you can start smelling whatever you're cooking. And also, my website is up, revised, JenniferMalloryRecipes.com. Please give that a check out and like, subscribe, and share on this video. More importantly, comment, because I respond to each and every one of my comments. I like to thank people for the time they take out of their day watching my videos. So I love you all. I hope you all have a good evening. God bless you and your families always. And I hope to see you on the next one.